Hello everyone, I am Vishali Wagmare. Welcome once again to the series of tenses. Today I am going to talk about the examples related to simple present tense using main verb. Now the first format which we discussed, that is I, we, you, they. Okay, in this format 1, I, we, you, they, for creating a negative statement, I will use the helping verb do plus not. The contracted form is don't. And to create a question 1, I will use do before the main statement. So let us see the examples. I play cricket. I, positive statement. Negative statement, I don't play cricket. Question 1, positive. Do I play cricket? Question 1, negative. Don't I play cricket? Now again, positive question 2 will depend on the situation. So here we can have many options. When do I play cricket? With whom do I play cricket? How do I play cricket? Where do I play cricket? And negative question 2, 99% of the time it will come with why. So why don't I play cricket? This is one of the examples of using I, we, you, they, the first format. When you create an examples using we, you, they, still you will have the same pattern going on. So kindly remember I, we, you, they using first verb. For negative, do plus not don't, and to create a question only do. Thank you very much.